Definitely a transformative experience for me. It was the best experience of my life.
Thank you, Dr. Bhanote, so much for being so inspirational.
I was seeking for some balance, and there was something about the gut and the mind that really spoke to me.
I am Susan, and this is wonderful experience.
I feel like I've released everything in my body.
The food, well, normally I have a very picky palate, but I have been extremely adventurous and it is absolutely delicious.
Amazing spiritual journey.
I learned tools to be able to take that with me, not just to relax. Tap into a higher presence. A higher presence that we can't feel or touch, but that the energy is there.
Because I've been a nurse for 30 years. So I was very interested in her book, The Anatomy of Well-Being.
The sense of community that the retreat provides, just being around a lot of like-minded people and the healthy food with it. So it's kind of just taking care of all aspects of your health and your life.
Some of the experiences that I've had, and it surpassed all my expectations. Thank you, Dr. Bhanote. You have been a blessing, and I'm so happy that you have come into my life, and I look forward to working with you.
I got to say, as someone still in my first 5 years of practice, as a doctor, it's very difficult to take on every single person who comes in. And I just got to witness someone carry 25 different souls, all of our problems, our thoughts, our insecurities, our happiness, our sadness. And she carried just bliss throughout the whole time. She was always so peaceful, always so zen, and that's what I aspire to be.
Every step of this retreat is giving me more confidence. I can heal my brain, I can heal my body, and I believe it.